everyone, this is Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and we are back with our Alice in Wonderland junk journal. And this is going to be part 2 of a series. In part 1, we made the cover of the journal, and we also made the pages. And this was created from a printable kit in my Etsy shop, the Shabby Alice kit. I'll put a link to that below. And today we're going to be decorating the pages, and I've got more items from the kit and then a few other things as well. And I'm not going to talk through this whole video, but I am going to just kind of set up what we'll be doing, and then I'll just go ahead and craft and you can follow along. So to start with, this is a layered pocket from the kit that's meant to hold tags and cards and things. So we're going to be using this for part of the page decorating today. And then I've also got another item from my shop. It's this shabby butterfly, this 3-dimensional butterfly, and I have another video that shows how I put these together, so I'm not going to do that today, but I am going to use it to decorate the journal because I thought it went really nicely with the colors and the kind of theme of the kit, so that's going to go in there today. And then I've also got a few other things as well. And like I said, I probably won't do a lot of explaining as I go, but I'll let you follow along with the process. And then anything I use, if I can, I'll put links down below for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, everyone, I think that that's where we'll stop for today. So in part one, again, we made our cover and our pages, and then in part two, we've started decorating our pages with this cute little multi-layered pocket here, and this 3D butterfly, and then this little string pocket holder. I don't even know what to call this, but I love the idea of it. It kind of makes me think of those old message boards where you could slide in, you know, all of your postcards and things like that. So just a cute little way to hold envelopes or cards or whatever. One thing you do have to think about with this style of binding is they call it alligator mouth. When your book gets super big on this side and then the spine is still just this small. So that'll probably happen, which is part of why I decided to put these closure in so that I can tie the book shut when it gets really big. So just so you know though, you may not want to use super thick items when you decorate your pages. Try to keep them relatively flat. So that's just a little advice for keeping your book so it doesn't get too big. So anyway, when we come back again in the next series, in the next part of this series, we'll go ahead and do some more page decorating. So thanks for watching, everyone.